Beautiful people, it's me, Pamela, on my YouTube. Cho, no, what's the T? Siyahlaziya.
Well, guys, kodwa mase sesikhuluma iqiniso nje ukuthi Andrew Sithembu today is a bit much. We did talk about it in another video where I was talking about Usne ukuthi Usne is pregnant again, guys. Like Umusa was even crying. I was just like, even now, hey, it's just like you got prevent, but you want to prevent. There's other things, guys. There's other things that you're not gonna mention and get managed. And those are the things, in fact, if I prevent. I'm just like, Kaibo. So many things, guys, when you figure a goal, chances are lo muntu lo uqala nokumbona mhlambi. There's even that chance. Sulana na suthole ingane. S4, guys. Okay, it's a bit much. It's a bit much. We're not judging Snake, guys. Please, we're not judging Snake. But ngifeel ukuthi it could have been prevented. Into yakhona there was no need for it. Ofike igoli uzoba busy nothando nesithembu lezi ingane. Izingane zesithembu. The next thing, business izinto. Hayi guys, usinena hayi. Bobo khona is just like, please. Uma icela imayiqeda lapha ngangitsheli and engangitsheli njena. Akamtsheli ukuthi fanele prevent Usne. I'm like, that's not all. That's not even the reason enough for me for Usne. If you look, there's other things Usne that she should have looked at besides prevention. And you know how it is. Then you are busy with another guy now. Wow. Musa was just defeated. He was just like, wow, Usne. Like, really? So it's not the same guy, so global. So man like, but you have ingane and all of that. But I mean, obviously, ingane is end up no obviously ingane. That's my child. Literally, guys, and having children is very heartbreaking, eh? Because now the sister is trying to tell Musa, no, lo muntu yebo uyayiluza ingane and uke wakhulelwa even before she met you, yashona ingane. Guys, I was just like, no. Oh my gosh. Hey. Obviously, I mean, usisiga Thobile uMakhumalo social media, they're gonna look at it like, why would you sell your sister like this to Umusa? So the sister was also saying that whole thing no, hayi ukuthi umuntu la kakhulelwa, lo muntu lo uyakhulela uyaba nengane khona nenye ka 5 months yasesaphuphuma-ke sisuka English kwaphela kanjalo. But she was just explaining the whole thing ukuthi Umusa akangathi uMakhumalo akazazama uzamile ukwakha umuzi, just it's beyond her control, basically, this thing of losing children. And ngapha obviously, I mean, on the socials they did drag umacele ukuthi how can usho into ebuhlungu kangaka umuntu kanti lokhu ubhiza ukuthi ene wahlangana nale ngane ikhulelwe uMakhumalo kanti nalo umntwana wamluza uMakhumalo. You know, and for a minute there, guys, I thought lo mntwana lo mhlambe ngempela ukhona uMakhumalo amfihla kanti umntwana washona, guys. Oh, hi guys, this is just like so heartbreaking, and people now are dragging umacele ukuthi nje wena you have no heart, inhliziyo yakhe ngaphandle awukwazi nje ukuthi omunye umntwana umzwele. That is why ke manje ke eseyapho, besides the ectopic pregnancies as well for uMakhumalo manje she tried IVF as well, you know. Hayi ukuthi uMakhumalo guys didn't try. And mina ngizwile ukuthi ngize ngathini kwenye video 2 videos before this one, I said kwesinye isikhathi uNkulunkulu akanginiki ingane for a reason with a certain person. Chances are Umusa there's a chance ukuthi bangayitholi ingane. Let's not force things, guys. Kenzeka all the time. We've heard about it in so many families. Umuntu, actually, I know someone where I stay. Another lady was just telling me ukuthi wayeshadile kahle emakhaya ngapha e-Eastern Cape. Bahlala nje nendoda yakhe elebelethi umamizala oyinyumba oyithola ingane kwaphela 3-4 years beshadile. Bahlukana kanjalo ngoba ihleze ethukwa ngithi akayithola ingane. Uyakhumbula how it used to happen vele back in the days. Indoda ayinga-check-wa ku-check-wa umama ukuthi hayi akayithola ingane lo. This problem with her uyinyumba basically. Uthi ayazi uthi immediately mayiqeda ukuhamba lapho wavele wayithola ingane. A year later weza la igoli wazosebenza wavele wayithola ingane. Imagine, I was just like, wow, guys, wow. So this is why I'm just like, those things, guys. People believe, I also believe, it's not meant to be. It's not. there's that chance futhi namanje noMakhumalo, besides ukuthi she's tried to have children even before she met Musa. With uMusa umhlamba kufunakala guys. Ukuyibona le nto, let's not force elifini uzumkwatela umntana abantu ukuthi into wayuzele lana awukwazanga ukuyenza. Cabanga kaka izinto ebuhlungu kangaka uMakhumalo wabantu. Mase kuzoba ile beef le uMusa anayo and the lies that he keeps on telling us about ingane kaMangwabi. Nokuthi ingane kaMangwabi engahlali nabo ngithi before obviously ngeke ihlale eMzumbe, but manje njengoba uMangwabi senendlu yakhe outside uMzumbe isiyahlala ingane, and then he comes up with stories zokuthi enele ngane le was disrespectful to him. I'm just like, okay guys, there's other things. Lalela uMusa akasandi ingane kaMangwabi. Let's just agree guys and move on. And akayifuni ngoba kuyena yakhe, so simple as that. Ayikho lento. And uMusa mayeqeda lento kaMangwabi ayihlanganise ngamakhwela. Those things are two different things guys. They have nothing to do with us. For example, ukuthi wena uMakhwela oqedile amalobolo umshadile, she doesn't have a house, uhleli ngaphandle in he comes up with the story sokuthi no uSimphiwe naye uhleli ngaphandle cause kuyafana ningane ngamakhwela naye ihleli ngaphandle. Guys, like how those things the same? Hayibo, I'm just like uMusa needs to stop with the lies guys. Like as listen to sambelana, you know, as fun futhi. So in a way ke kusho ukuthi noMakhwela ngoba phela kwakamshadi vela akuphelele into zakhe azizazi futhi there's always stories around ilobolo lakhe actually aliphelele. So usho ukuthi lengane oyitholile ekhaya literally le kaManyenziwe uMusa amlakayo uMusa guys ngeke lezi zinto azifani. uMangwabi uyade etholele nomntana wakhe uSimphiwe side this marriage akufani kuhlangene nje futhi. Mase kuzoba uMacele noSamngike ke bekhuluma nje about life, and then uMakhwela kamtshela indaba zamalobolo. uMacele amtshela ukuthi lalela, you need to stop asking uMusa about amalobolo ngoba manje you gonna sound like a desperate girl. Yabona leyo nto le. I also feel like that. I feel like you must have time where you like, hey, you know what? Ngithi ngimiyeke uMusa uzongitshela yena. So mase ready ukuthi angilobolo or eqedela amalobolo, because also the story amalobolo you never really know for sure what's going on. So like I still saying guys ukuthi basically even nale ngane yakhe izalelwe ekhaya at the end of the day, and uMusa is always like, oh my gosh, ingane zonke fanele izalelwe emshadweni, like how he's busy judging uSne, but I guess akamjudge naye uyamtshela iqiniso about life. Ucela bese ethi lalela sis esho kuMakhwela, you know what you must do actually. Stop asking Musa about those things. Concentrate on about the lobola situation. Concentrate on your child, on raising your child. Which is a nice advice anyways. And nakhona uMseleku uyadlala ngoSamngike cause for instance uthi amina kamlobolo but he'll be bringing up indaba yengane athi no ngifuna ingane isithu kanjani guys longizala nje. But abanye abantu bayashada, mina uzongishada leni, but kodwa also guys dalaba abanye kuney'nto zokuthi ngathi amalobolo abaqedwanga, and at the same time futhi uyambona ukuthi uMusa akhondle azoyithola uMakhwela uzofanele ukuthi ayoklina lapha eMzumbe, aplastele kahle, alungise lezi zinto ey'wayo lapha eMzumbe. That's what I'm seeing happening with her, because now she's pushing it naye, and she comes off as a desperate girl. Uyayibona manje ukuthi bakanjani, they just like, whoa sisi, calm down. Kuzozenzakalela uMusa uzoyena ozokutshela, wait for your turn, wena ozokutshela ukuthi when is it gonna lobola you.
Ngapha uSamngike uthi enethina ku social media samhlukumeza yikho inhlamba esingambizanga ngayo, uthi uyacela abantu ukuthi sibe nice guys. Please uSamngike usasemncane also, there's certain things angazi ukuthi ifanele zenhle kanjani. Please guys, let her be. Asimiyekeni umntana abantu esekhala guys, no. And nakhona guys, it's right for uSamngike to bring up the topic yokuthi Musa uzongishada nini, ebuza kuMacele ukuthi can you help me out here, kanti indaba zamalobolo kwenzakalani ngazo. Na life yakhe guys, because abanye uhlala nabo forever, umuntu akalobola akashada kanjani udla mahala, ukubona. Dear Samngike, imina ke lo ngibhalela uSamngike, you wanted this life angithi, so this life is not gonna be easy. Ama TV you celebrity literally, so bazokudonsa abantu, they're gonna drag you to filth. Stay true to yourself, ungalibeli uzama ukuba ubani uzama ukuba uMakhumalo, lalela ungayinaki ezinye izinto, don't take them to heart. That's just my thing guys. So besime lapho guys kancane. Thank you so much guys for always supporting this channel. In your scale for days, ngithanda over.